Good morning, boys and girls. So just like yesterday, we're going to talk about having a positive attitude. And remember, having a positive attitude means focusing on the bright side. Even when things don't go your way, you can have a positive attitude. So I want you to think about it. What do you think having a positive attitude can have to change your day? So if you always wake up and you're positive, does that mean you're always happy? No, I mean we all have good days and bad days, but even on those bad days, they're saying that you can have a positive attitude. So how having that positive attitude can change your day? So, we talked about it, that when you wake up, sometimes we're grumpy, or we're upset, or maybe something happened before we got to school, or maybe we're hungry. So we don't have a positive attitude. But turning ourselves around and making it better or fixing the problem, you can have a positive attitude. And then that changes your day because you won't have a bad day anymore. You'll have a good day. So finish this sentence. Having a positive attitude helps me and others because. So I want you to go ahead and type that answer in Canvas and let me know. Having a positive attitude helps me and others because. Have a good day.